Moving on to the next three sentences. C'est l'ami de Florent. It is the friend of Florent. So they've given us a hint here, no. So we're supposed to answer in the negative. Now in this case, is it the friend of Florent? No, it is not. So the verb here is a. So we have to add na before and pa after. So you know very well how to do that. Ce n'est pas, the friend is here. So we are going to say it is not her friend. Ce n'est pas, her is son ami. Son ami. No, it is not her friend. No, ce n'est pas son ami. The next one, ce sont tes parents. Ce sont tes parents. Here we'll answer positively. Oui. Ce sont. Now, second person becomes first person. So, te becomes mes. Mes parents. So if you notice, our noun is plural, so we use mes. Yes, oui, ce sont mes parents. These are my parents. And finally, the last one, c'est votre voiture. It is your car. Oui. C'est is written as it is. Now, second person plural becomes first person plural. So, votre becomes notre. C'est notre voiture. It is our car. C'est votre voiture. It is your car. Oui, yes. C'est notre voiture. It is our car. So, once again we'll read the sentences. C'est l'ami de Florent? Non, ce n'est pas son ami. It is the friend of Florent? No, it is not his friend. Ce sont tes parents? These are your parents? Oui, yes. Ce sont mes parents. These are my parents. C'est votre voiture? It is your car? Oui, yes. C'est notre voiture. It is our car. So this is how we answer the questions using the possessive adjective. All we have to do is write the subject and verb accordingly. So if it is negative, you know what to do. So the subject and the verb followed by the possessive adjective and the noun. And the possessive adjective for a question, when it is in the second person, we change it to the first person, and the noun is written as it is. So it is very simple. I hope you understood the concept of the possessive adjective.